Yo, what it do, what it done, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Yeah, and I'm your host P Fire, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around, come back in the shot, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. So let's do it. Damn, messing up my hair. You know what I mean? Let me get in, guys. You already see what we're doing. Let me give you a little twirlage to the twirl, to the RJ. Let me give you a little close up. Yeah, you see the left tip. Alright, guys, let's get into it. You see the collars, you see what it is. Alright, guys, well, today we have this CP Company Smock type jacket. It's a Smock, I tell you, and it's a type of a jacket. Kind of like an overshirt Smock, shall we call it. But yeah, very, very nice. Alright, guys, let's get into the details. Let's start where we like to start, the cuffages. As you can see, disclaimer, there's my wrist and there's the cuffage. This is a small. I like the piece so much. I think it's from 2010 or so. I copped this off Jazzy Badger some time back. But I like the piece and it's a small. But if I step back, you can see right on the cuffage, so it's not a problem. It's really dope. You know, it's only when I'm doing this, if I'm ever going to be doing that, you know, unless I'm doing the funny dancing. I say funny dancing, the cultural dancing. Unless I'm doing that, I ain't really going to be doing that, so that's cool, you know. But anyway, as you can see, left hand side, right hand side, equilibrium's a beautiful thing. You've got these nice sort of like sort of admiral kind of fasteners there with the pointed arrow, and as you can see, you have your Stone Island button burnished in black steel. It's not really, but you know, let's put a bit of hyperbole and make it even better than it is. So we've got that, and of course equilibrium certain beautiful thing right there. Very nice cuffages right there. Let me step back a bit, and as you can see, left hand side, right hand side, you have pockets on both sides, but as you can see, this little envelope pocket going up quite deep. Actually, you could put like a small apartment in there. It's quite deceptive, you know. A little apartment could definitely go in there very, very easily. Now this one, it goes to that side, so it's going right under the old armpit. Again, quite deep. You could stash your little speedboat in there, maybe I don't know, maybe a little long boat in there. You might be able to put your long skateboard in there. That's the kind of thing you do. I don't know, but yeah, quite a deep pocket. Very, very nice. I like the desymmetry. What's that? Asymmetry of the pockets. Of course, you have this strip right here, which fastens with the buttons, and that is just for the old. Let me just show you right there. Boom. So if you want a little bit of Superman effect there, you can just do that and then open it up. There you are, Superman, Bear 77 logo right underneath. Everyone's a winner. Okay, let me just button these up, guys, and then we'll get into what we love on our little jackets or schmocks. We do love a nice little hood on the jacket or schmock. So if I put this one up, you can see this is quite sturdy. It's got a little bit of a peakage right there, and look, you've got that sort of mouth shield. You've got that sort of mouth shield effect right there. If I do that, can you see me? You can't see me. Can you even hear me? You can't hear me. Boom. Very nice. Very protective, actually. You know, if it tappity tap taps, tappity tap tap, yeah, it might be all right. You know, it will, because the hood's actually a little bit thick. You know, so it might stop it for like about 2 seconds, but after that, seek shelter, guys. Very, very nice. Down here we have these toggles, which allow us to taper if that's what we want to do. Nice bit of taperage, super nice. Just turn around. Not really much else. Of course, you have this sort of side pocket right there, allows you to put your, you know, put your Pat Butchers or your Doc Cottons in there. Do you know what I mean? By that I mean your salmons. By your salmons I mean your smokes. You can put those in there right beside your watch viewer right there, and then there you can see you got your CP Company lens viewer right there, and super dope watch viewer. So yeah, very, very nice. This is such a really nice piece. I didn't even pay a lot for it. Of course, second hand, like a lot of pieces I do buy. You got the toggles here as well, allowing you to taper that hood. Just really nice, and I thought for the price, 2010, not bad at all. Yeah, really nice material. All in all, it's a win. it's a win, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are. Yeah, it's a really favorite piece of mine. This is a piece that can get worn all the time, you know, even during summer I've been rocking this. So yeah, guys, once again, thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts on this piece. You guys are beautiful, you guys are amazing as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and yeah, you know I'll be sure to reply. Guys, stay dope, stay fly, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.